Hey everybody, it's Kenneth here from License to Grill. Today I'm going to take a look at the Big Green Egg Daisy Wheel versus their new regulator. So if you're like me, my egg is a few years old. It came with the original Big Green Egg regulator, and I'm now planning on upgrading that to the new regulator version. So first of all, a little bit about the Daisy Wheel. I actually never liked it. It was my biggest problem with the Big Green Egg. It has multiple setting adjustments available, or degrees of freedom on the top for setting, and I found myself only ever using the one, so I never really opened or closed this top piece. I did find, however, that as the grill aged, the Daisy Wheel would constantly open when I opened the grill, meaning that I'd have to go back and try and fine-tune that temperature again. I know you can tighten these screws, but anytime I tried, it would still fail. So I'm very, very excited about the new regulator from Big Green Egg, and now we're going to take a look at that. Okay, so this is the new regulator from Big Green Egg. I purchased mine direct from Big Green Egg from Amazon. I'll put some links below in the description to purchase it from. The first thing I would say is that it's still made out of cast iron, similar to the old style Daisy Wheel, except for it only has this one single point of adjustment. And immediately outside the box, out of the box, you can tell that the gripping of this to the bottom piece is much better, and should be less susceptible for our temperature setting to change. Okay, so I'm not going to cook on it right now in this video, but I have cooked on it already. So it's out with the old and in with the new, and immediately you can see it does fit on perfectly. From a setting standpoint, you now just have that single degree of freedom for setting the temperature, but you can finitely adjust it as well. And most importantly, when the grill opens, you've got much better friction between the two surfaces to prevent your setting from changing. Okay, so overall, I think it's a very worthy upgrade for your Big Green Egg. I've been using mine for about a month and a half now, and all the frustrations I've had with the old Daisy Wheel have disappeared. So again, if you like this video and would like to see more content, please like the video below and subscribe to my channel. I will put some links below for purchasing the regulator direct from Big Green Egg. Thanks.